21 runs, excluding bed or the water, the 19 kiloliters that they have used as shown on the statement for February 2024. Verify showing all calculations whether the statement is correct. Now, when you look at this question, your last answer, you have to let us know. The moment you hear verify whether statement was correct, your last answer has to be a conclusion. You have to verify, was it right or wrong? But before we come to that, you need to perform calculations. So for water tariffs, we shall always use that table, the water table. Let's go. First and foremost, we need to realize we are looking at 19. I'm going to use this space here to look at this, but then I will teach you how to do it. 19 kiloliters. Definitely 19 is in between 16 and 30. So from bracket 1, we have 6. Then what about from the second bracket? We have a maximum of 9. I told you we ignore this other side here. We don't need these numbers here. We only look at this. So 15 minus 6, you get 9. 30 minus, you get, but then we're looking at 19. So 6 plus 9, you get 15. 15 minus 19, you remain with the 4 kiloliters. The 4 kiloliters will be in this bracket here. Remember that saying that it's of Feb 2024. Feb 2024. So Feb 2024, it's this one here that we're using. So we shall use this side. So how are we going to calculate it? So we shall get, for the first 6 kiloliters, we multiply by 0. The second, the 9. How do you get the 9? We got 15 minus 16. That's how we got the 9. The maximum kiloliters in bracket number 2, because this is bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the maximum kiloliters allowed in bracket number 2 are 9. So we shall get 9. 9 times 24. Come to 4. 4. So in other words, someone who did 6 times 0 plus the 9 times 24 plus the 4 times 29. Remind you, as you add, these numbers here should add up to 19. So 6 plus 9 plus 4. They should give you 19. Remember the 19, these are the kiloliters that were used. Okay, let's continue and we shall say, now when you multiply 6 times 6 times 0, you remain with 0, plus 9 times 24, 9 times 24, we have 216, plus 4 times 29, we have 116. So we shall say 216 plus 116. So we end up having the answer as 332 runs. Remember, she said they were going to spend 551. So her conclusion is what? Her statement is incorrect. Or you might say it's wrong. You might say it's not valid, which is invalid. But first and foremost, you had to first look for this. So how is this marked? We are saying it's 8 marks. So we start marking here. If you have that, you have this, you have that, 6 marks. You have that, you have that, you have that, 6 marks. So 2 marks here. Did you get the right answer? Did you come up with your conclusion? That's how we get the 8 marks. Don't get scared when you look at these water tariffs. We mark step by step. We look at your knowledge. We look at your knowledge. Do you know how to interpret them? All right. Because now, if you write the statement was incorrect, you can't get a full marks 8. You have to show us the working. So that's how we collect the 8 marks.